Hello everyone, my name is Tahina. I'm a junior research engineer in computer science at the French Alternative Energies and Atomic Energy Commission, or CEA, in Paris. My current laboratory is specialized in blockchain. Before joining the CEA, I did a thesis in computer science at the University of Réunion Island. More precisely, I did a thesis in multi-agent systems that I defended in September 2020. I will therefore start by briefly explaining what a multi-agent system is, as this is one of the reasons for my participation in ICA4. Multi-agent systems are one of the distributed artificial intelligence axes. A multi-agent system consists of multiple decision-making agents which interact in a shared environment to achieve common or conflicting goals, a kind of collective intelligence. A very concrete and classic example is the ant swarm, where each ant can be represented by a decision-making agent which interacts with other ants through pheromones in a shared environment to satisfy a common goal, which in this case is to find food. Multi-agent systems research covers a range of technical problems, such as how to design multi-agent systems to incentivize particular behaviors in agents, or how to design algorithms enabling agents to achieve specified goals in multi-agent systems, or how information is communicated and propagated among agents, or how norms, conventions, and roles might emerge in multi-agent systems, and so on. My area of expertise is the use of multi-agent systems for complex and adaptive system modeling and simulation. In that context, my thesis deals with temporal environment modeling and anticipatory reasoning in multi-agent simulations for smart cities. As I said before, since December 2020, I am affiliated to a new laboratory specialized in blockchain, which is a new topic that I am still discovering. By definition, blockchain is a decentralized and distributed digital ledger. It is considered as a tamper-proof, auditable, and secure database. So, the main activities of my new laboratory are gaining trust in secure distributed protocols, designing new protocols, for example, for incentives, scalability, confidentiality, or accountability, prototyping trusted services such as traceability, auditing, or smart contracts. In that context, one of my areas of interest is blockchain and multi-agent simulation. Thus, as part of ICA4, I would like to explore and discuss interdisciplinary possible research avenues that combines the topics of blockchain and rational agents modeling with other topics such as consciousness or common knowledge or general data protection, regulation. However, I am also open to any other topic that could be related to my research interests that I am not aware of yet, but that I could discover during this ICA4. Thank you for your attention.